Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a world of AI generated images that are taking social media by storm. See these images and you will understand what I'm talking about. So these are the images. See, these are fascinating to see how these images are captivating users and sparking curiosity across various platforms. And believe me, once you post these images on your social media platform, your feed will never be the same. Okay, so let's talk about how we are going to create these images. So, to make things easy for you, I already created some prompts which I am going to share with you in the description of this video. You can modify them according to your taste and generate images. Okay, so to start with this process, first you need to open Edge or any browser that you like, and then go to Images, that is Bing Images. So you click on Microsoft Search and type Bing, and once you are in Bing, you click on Images. And here on the top, you see one option that says Create. You need to create. Just click on that. And this is the place where all the magic happens. Now, there are two other options by which you can reach here. You can also, go to your Bing home screen and click on Copilot. And here also you can, create those images. The process will be the same. There is no changes, just a way how you want to do it. Okay. And also on mobile phones, you have Bing AI that you need to, download and install, and then you can try to generate images. Okay. But in this video, we are going to focus only on for your PC or laptop way of generating images. Okay. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to, as I told you, I created some prompts. So like this is one prompt, create a 3D illustration of a realistic man. So something like this is a prompt. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now here you can change the social media. Like for example, I want to create for Instagram and I want to write my name as Aman, and if I want to change anything like a graphic designer, entrepreneur, or if you want to change any clothing, etc., you can change it here. Okay, but I am not going to change it. I am going to keep it like that, and I will hit create. So these are some images. So if you want, you can change the social media platform. Let's say you type WhatsApp and hit create. Also, one thing I want to share, these are, buzz. When you create images, it use these buzz. Okay, so these images are created. So let's say if I want to change a prompt, I want to create something like this. An angel wings with fire. Okay, so I am going to put this prompt here, and let's say I want to create a girl image. Kurta, denim pant, wearing Nike shoe, beautiful hair. She is, and say her name is Alicia. We will hit create. So the images are created. If you click on any image, right, and you can download from here, and you can also do a little bit customization. It will lead you to Microsoft Designer, where you can do some changes if you want. I'm not doing any changes, so this is something very interesting happening. Okay. You can create a lot of images like that. Let's do one thing. Let me show you how you can do it in Copilot also. I have another prompt like a superhero prompt. I want to create a superhero image. A girl standing in a busy street, logo DC Universe, and she has a Wonder Woman costume. So this around, don't worry about the prompt. I will share it in the description. So the process is same. You can either use Copilot or you can use Bing Images. Copilot is quite handy because it is built in PC or in your Windows also. You can, reach here and start working. So here, these are the images. So these are quite interesting images that are created by Bing AI. And you can also, once you create on it, you can do some changes like make it pixel art. See, it changed. If I want, I can keep it. If I don't want, I will undo it. There are a lot of options by which you can get some output. If you like this image, you can do some more changes. You can download it. You want, you can share it. So a lot of information and a lot of things can be done. You can also get the prompt if you click here. So this is the way by which you can, create these trending images which are famous on social media nowadays. And before I close, if you are a Windows user and your Windows is struggling, recently I created a video about Windows PC Manager. Okay, you can watch that video and implement those steps to make your Windows fast. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that whenever I update any video, you will get the notification. So we will meet soon. Thanks for watching and take care. Stay safe, stay healthy.